Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be learning the data types that we have in Python. Data types that we have in Python. That's what we're going to be learning today. So I'm going to simply write this inside the code so that you actually know what you are going to be learning today. Data types. What are data types? What are data types in Python? What are the data types in Python? Data type simply means control shift. I'm going to see data types in Python. That's what we're going to be learning today. This is going to be Python, not Python's control shift. So what are the data types we have in Python? We actually have the following data types in Python. We have numbers or number. We have string. We have tuples. We have lists, and we have dictionaries, or you call them maps. So these are the major data types that we have in Python. These are the major data types that we have in Python, and we're going to be learning each of them one by one in the subsequent classes. These are the data types that we have in Python. We're going to be learning them one by one in subsequent classes. Very, very important. These are all the ones we have. Numbers. The numbers can be floats, and it can also be numbers can be floats, and it can also be I have an error here. Print is not defined. Please, this is supposed to be small letter p. Good. So these are the data types that we have: numbers, string, tuples, list, dictionaries. So we're going to be learning all these one by one in subsequent class. Please, if you like this video, click on the subscribe button. If you have any question, put it on the comment section. So numbers are normal numbers. Once the value is anything like 10, 12 or anything, that is, if the value of the variable is any of this is numbers. So if you have also 14.9, it's also numbers. Now, what do you understand by strings? When you have something that is enclosed in double quote, like I am Ekene, that is a string. Then what is tuple?